Hello, hello, hello. I hope that you guys are fine. Today I am going to take you to a nearby place of Helsinki city center. It's a place for hiking, bird watching, sailing, and boating, and sort of a beach, so you can sit there and enjoy. So we started our journey from Pasela, which is a one stop away from city center of Helsinki, and it takes about 50 to 55 minutes by car, and the in kilometers it's about 50 kilometers approximately. So let's dive down into this topic, and I will show you how it looks like there. So enjoy. All right. So as you can see that we have arrived, and look at this place. What a beautiful place. There are rocks, small form of rocks, and these are clean rocks. I mean, there is no pebbles or something that you think about that if you walk barefoot it will hurt your foot. No, it's clean, so you can walk on them. Yeah, but they are hard. So however, they are super clean, so you can walk easily. Look at this water. There is a algae under this water, so that's why it was green. But here you can see it's very clean water. Wow. There are trails for walking which are ideal for day trips, and they are easy trails which are suitable for families and for the children. Look at this algae. Did you see? Isn't it amazing? So if you are a biologist, I highly recommend to visit here, or otherwise you can also come here and enjoy your time, especially during the summers, because in the winter the Baltic Sea is cold. These are my shoes. Anyway, let's look on the contour or topography of this place. Look at these rocks, these crevices. These are webs of spider. Can you see? Okay, now you can see other parts around this sea area. We will be only focusing on this area mainly because we had a short time, so I will only show you this part. You can spend a relaxed day by the sea or go for a boating adventure in one of the most beautiful seascapes on Finland's coast. In the spring and autumn, when migratory birds fly over the area in large flocks, the area turns into a bird watcher's paradise. So it means that you can also have a bird sightseeing place here close by. Porkala is the culturally and naturally rich treasure of Helsinki region. As I mentioned earlier, there are services for families and children, also for disabled people. It is okay to do fishing in this area. However, it is forbidden to damage the soil or rock, or to extract the material from these rocks. So you should be careful when you come here, not mess around. Also, there are places for fire, so you are only allowed to do campfire in the sites which are specified. You cannot do your own grilling in open space because this area is forested, and it is forbidden to do sort of grilling outside because there is a chance of getting the forest burned. So you have to keep it also in mind. You can visit this area with your own car, or you can avail the services of public transport. But for public transport, you need to take train from Helsinki to Kirkkonummi train station, and when you arrive at Kirkkonummi train station, then you take the bus 902 that will take you to closest place, which is Porkkalantie road, or in Finnish it's just Porkkalantie. So, and also you can reach here by boat. There are underwater meadows in this area, and you can see that the diversity of the seafloor increases the richness of species. The seafloor consists mainly of rock and stones here, but there are also gravel and sand in places. And this is the forest around this area. The forest as Porkala represent mixed forest of the temperate zone. The area's nature is versatile and you can find old, pristine forests and barren rocky islands. There are over 40 endangered habitat types at Porkala. The diversity of the area is enriched by very rare herb-rich forests, different mere types and traditional landscapes. Porkala is well known amongst bird watchers because many migratory birds fly over the area. So this was a short video. I hope that you like this informative video and visit this area. So stay tuned. Thank you.